Previously, we've looked at education for all. Today, we are going to take a different turn and look at inclusive education. These two terms at the start may look to mean the same thing, but they actually don't. Education for all simply guarantees that all children of school-going age will receive an education. Inclusive education, on the other hand, makes sure that every child receives the same education irrespective of any disability or handicap, which simply means that the able child and the disabled child should be receiving the same education in the same environment under the same conditions by the same teachers. Inclusive education really is an attitude, because when we look at the disabled child, the child who is deaf, or the child who is blind, or the child who is mentally not stable, we think that these are special children who need special care and special attention. That is not true. The disabled child only has a handicap. In all other aspects, he is or she is exactly the same as the normal child of the particular age group. Therefore, we need to change our attitudes and include those disabled children or the handicapped children in regular classroom settings, which simply means that schools, classrooms, education, teachers should open the doors and allow all children with or without handicap to study under the same conditions in the same environment. The opportunity of receiving exactly the same education as a normal child receives in a normal classroom with normal children should be what the handicapped child should be able to receive in any school, in any classroom, from any teacher. The focus is on giving every child the help he or she needs in order to learn, but guaranteeing that the child learns the same curriculum, the same syllabus, the same material, with the same methodology as a child without a handicap. So, basically, it comes down to the attitude of individuals in education. It begins with the teacher and also relies on the parent. Parents should stop seeing these children as special needs children. They are normal children in every other aspect except for the disability that they have with them. And this disability is no fault of theirs. Therefore, changing our attitudes in education as people responsible for providing quality education to young people, unless we change our attitudes, the handicapped child will continue to be looked upon as a special needs child with special care, special attention, special methodology to learn, and we will be watering down the curriculum to hope that we will meet the needs of these special children. This attitude change is a need, is a necessity. In the 21st century, all children should be receiving same education under the same conditions in the same environment.